Hello everyone, welcome to Advik Dice. So today we will see how to build kids fine motor skills. Here is the first activity. I don't know about your kids, but mine love playing with water. We spent a lot of time playing in water outside this summer, and I used a sponge and a bowl of water and told him to squeeze the water using that sponge into the glasses. This will help them to strengthen their muscles and makes them busy. Skills that a child will use the rest of their life. Our children need to learn spoon skills, how to scoop and transfer the objects. How will our toddlers going to learn skills like this without practice? Make them practice. And I used a thermocol sheet and some pens and color sheets to this activity to match the color and press the pin over the color sheet. This activity helps kids holding skills which will improve their writing skill and how to hold a pencil. Next comes a pom pom and a tweezer. Pom pom can be the great resources in preschool activity. These ideas can be used in your classroom or home to build fine motor skills. Tweezers develop kids' holding skills, which will help in writing. Add chopsticks for elder kids to increase the challenge and development. For next activity, I used some straws and wooden sticks. And to make the wooden stick stable, I used a chapati dough. If you are looking for something quiet and productive for your children, then you should try this simple threading activity using curd straws and wooden sticks. It might sound so incredibly simple and not that exciting, but believe me, your children will really be entertained by this activity. They will be developing their fine motor skills at the same time. It's summer time and are your kids getting bored and parents are looking for activities to entertain them. Here is a DIY lacing card with you. This is fun project that kids could help you make or you could put them together. In fine motor skills, fingers will be working so much. And here I took some bunch of rubber bands and an elephant toy and a giraffe toy and told him to put the rubber bands on the trunk and the neck. In this matching activity, I took some colored ice cream sticks and drawed some patterns over the sheets and told him to match and replace them. Such activities make kids entertained and learn so much things, like he can learn the colors. In the same way, I took some of the shapes here like triangle, pentagon and a star and told him to place the same thing over the color sheets. And for the next activity, I took some flowers and a toothpick and a thread. This is a threading activity. We are trying to make a garland. I told him to pin the leaves, flowers. In this activity, we took so much time and he got engaged almost 1.5 hours. Flowers and leaves are so delicate, so I helped in this activity. And finally, we made a garland with colorful flowers. This activity helps them to improve the gross motor skills like concentration, logical thinking. Hope you like these videos too. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.